In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert RAW to JPG in Adobe Bridge. So the first thing you have to do here in Adobe Bridge, you want to go to Window up top, and you want to make sure the export window is enabled, and you can see it over here, and you can even select it at the beginning. Now after this, make sure you find your images over here inside your folder. So for me here, I have one RAW image, but of course you can have multiple. You can do this with multiple images at once, and then all you have to do to actually convert from RAW to JPG, you want to go ahead and whenever the images are selected, just drag them and drop them into custom export. And then here inside custom export, of course, you can change whatever you want here, but the most important thing to actually convert it is where it says image format. You want to select JPEG, and then the extension should be JPG. Of course, you could do JPEG as well. It's up to you. I'm going to do JPG because this is the title of this tutorial. And then here, of course, you could go ahead and change different things as well. I'm going to ignore that, and I'm going to just click on Start Export, and it's going to start exporting over here. And there we go. The image has now been added in that folder, and as you can see, it's now a JPG. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.